All right, it is Sunday, March 17th, 2024. I just made some changes in this memorial drawing to child victims of the adult-driven Israeli Hamas-Palestinian war without end. A piece of what one friend would call detritus, something I picked up on the sidewalk sometime in the last year, like a toy something or other. And this I picked up a couple of days ago, also like along a sidewalk, like a very worn, broken kind of, this has been like a, like a paintbrush type of thing, more just the wooden part of it. Anyway, and I also added 4 of these things I got at Goodwill, I don't know, a year or 2 ago, I forget exactly, which are used in at least one, maybe more, on the Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Archives drawing I did of a library staffer who was shot to death in a terrorism attack at a library in New Mexico. All right, because I like to keep my art. Children, adolescent, teenage, and teacher, accessible and friendly. All right, I'll re-photograph it for my website sometime soon. Vertically, of course. Thanks, budgies. Nice to hear your singing over there. Okay, there you have it for now.